Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our exercise 8E. In this exercise, we get the question related to the liters. So I am making a simple diagram here. As you know previously also, it is liter, deca, hecto, kilo, deci, centimilli. And symbol also given DA for deca, H for hecta, K for kilo, D for deci, C for centi, and M for milli. All of you know that when if we move from this side to this side, then we have to multiply by 10 at each step. And if we are moving from this side to this side, so we have to divide by 10 at each step, as you know very well, because previously we also discussed about this table on gram also and meter also. So first question is you have to convert 9 liter into milliliter. Now just check liter into milliliter is there, and you have to move to milli now. So milli this side, so move this one step, two step, three step. So you have to multiply by 10 three times, that is 1000. 3 times 10 means what? 1000. So you multiply by 1000, you convert into millimeter. When you multiply, what will you get? 9000. So your answer is 9000 millimeter. Now come on B part. 3.782 liter. So first you remove the decimal. When you remove the decimal, put one below side, and how many digits are there after decimal 3? So write 30 here. So it become 3782 upon 1000. And when you convert liter into milliliters, you have to multiply by 1000 as you multiply here. So multiply 1000, it become milliliter. Now cut 1000 by 1000. Then what will you get? 3782 millimeter is your answer. This divide 1000 become by removing the decimal, and you multiply by 1000 because you convert liter into milliliter. So your answer is become 3728 milliliter. Now come on C part. C part is also same as the B part. First you remove the decimal and put the decimal, put the zeros. So you get 1000 at the downside. When you convert liter into milliliter, so you have to multiply 1000. They both are same though, so they have to cut. And your answer is 6384 milliliter. Now come on D part. This is the same one also, so you have to do in homework. And E part, you have to write 9324 milliliter. So it is a direct question, you always remember. The last three side represent milliliter and the remaining side represent liter. So you have to write 324 milliliter here and 9 liter here. Similarly, in the same way, 163 represent milliliter and 7 represent what? Liter. So direct you can write. Now come on, next question, change into liters. So the question is 17 kiloliter and you have to convert into what? Liter. So just look at the table first. You have to convert kiloliter into liter. Now you have to move this side one step, two step, three step. So you have to multiply by 10 three times, that is 1000. So you have to multiply by 1000, then kiloliter convert into what? Liter. When you multiply 1000, what will it become? It become 17,000 liter. Now come on B part. B part is 24 hectoliter. Hectoliter. So you have to convert hectare into kilo. Hectare into liters. How much step you have to run? One step and two step. So you have to multiply by what? 100 when you convert into liter, because two tens are there. So when you multiply, what will you get? 2400 liter. In the same way, when you convert 19 decaliter into liter, so you have to multiply by only 10, it become 190 liter. Now come on 3 kiloliter, 4 hectoliter and 5 decaliter. Kiloliter you multiply by 1000, hectare 100 and deca 10. So just convert by multiply 1000 into liter, 100 into liter and 5, it become also into liter. Now it will become 3000 liter, 400 liter and 50 liter. When you had 450, it become 450 liter. Now when you add 450 to 3000, what will it become? It become 3450 liter. It is your answer. Now come on the next one, change into milliliter. You have to convert this question into milliliter. So you have to convert liter into what? Milliliter. Just look at the table first. Liter is here. According to milliliter, one step, two step, three step. So you have to multiply by what? 1000 from the table. So 19 liter is there. So multiply by 1000, it become milliliter. Now you multiply, you will get 19000 milliliter. Now 32 decaliter. Sorry, deciliter. DL, na? It is only D. Deciliter into milliliter. How many steps you have to move? One step, two step only. So you have to multiply by only 100. So here only. So when you multiply by 32 by 100, what become? Milliliter. When you multiply, what will get? 3200 milliliter. Similarly, when you convert 74 centiliter into milliliter, so last column is like that one, centimilli. So you have to move only one step, so that you have to multiply by only 10. So multiply by 10, it becomes milliliter. So finally, it becomes 740 milliliter. Now come on D part. Liter you multiply by 1000. Deciliter you have to multiply by 100, and centimeter you have to multiply by what? 10. So multiply by 1110, then what will you get? 7260. 7200 is means 7200 plus 60, it means 7260 milliliter. A very easy question. Now come on, four part, convert into what? Kiloliter. So you have the question in liter. Now just look at the table. Liter is A and you have to move to kiloliter. How many steps you have to move? One step, two step, this three step. So when you move this side, then you have to do divide. So you have to divide by 3 times. 3 times means 1000. So it is 3478 liter. When you convert into kiloliter, so you have to divide by 1000. 1000 means 30 are there. So from the back side, put the decimal after 3 digit. So what will you get? 3.476 kiloliter. Now come on the next one, 9732 decaliter. So when you convert decaliter into liter, deca here, sorry, one step, two step, it means you have to divide by what? 100. So you divided by 100, it become in kiloliter. Two zeros are there, so you have to put the decimal after through digit from the back side. So it become 97.32 kiloliter. Come on, next one, hectoliter. When you convert hectare into kilo, you have to divide by only 10. So it become 864.9 kiloliter. Similarly, D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on the last question of this exercise, convert into liters. Milliliter into liter. When you convert milli into liter, so you have to divide it by what? 1000. 1000 means 30 are there. So from the back side, put the decimal after 3 digits. It become 7.631 liter. Now come on centiliter. When you convert centiliter into liter, so you have to divide it by what? 100. From the table, you can determine that one. Cut 0 by 0, it become 931 upon 10. From the back side, put the decimal after 1 digit. So your answer is become 930.1 liter. Come on C part. C part is A649 upon decaliter. So it is a deciliter, and you convert into what? Deci into liter. Now just see here, table deci into liter. So only one step you have to move. So divide by only what? 10. So when you convert deciliter into liter, it will divide by 10. 10 means put the decimal after one place from the back side. So your answer will become 864.9 liter. Similarly, D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on exercise 8V. Today we are solving only two questions in this exercise, that is addition subtraction. The remaining question we have to discuss in our next class of this exercise, that is 8F. Now add the following. All of you know how to add. Just write the number in such a way that decimal becomes just below the decimal. So you write 8.314 and 7.315. Now simply add 5 plus 4, 9, 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 3, 6 and 7 and 4, 15. So your answer is become 15.629. Decimal we put just below the decimal only. And then your answer is 15.629 kiloliter. Similar second part you have to do by yourself in homework. This is very easy question. Now come on, C pass 18 liter 962 milliliter and 47 liter 653 milliliter. So just liter here, milliliter here. It is 18, 962 and it is 47 and 653. Now simply add 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry 1, 9 and 1 10, 16 6 carry 1. It become 8 8 16 carry 1, 4 1 5 and 1 6. So your answer is 66 liter and 615 milliliter when you add this to one. Similarly, D part, it is also liter milliliter, it is same as C part. So you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on, question number 2, subtract the following. So you have to subtract this decimal from this one. All of you know that one we have to always write from part first. So write from value here and other value at the lower side in such a way that the decimal becomes just below the decimal. So your first part is 97.101, another is 86.342. Now just subtract 1 minus 2 not possible, take 1 carry become 11, 11 minus 2 become 9, here become 9, 9 minus 4 become 5, here only 0, take 1 carry become 10, 10 minus 3 here 7, here remain only 6, 6 minus 6 0 and 9 minus 8 1. So your answer is 10.759 liter. Now come on B part. B part is 18.115 liter from 37.624 liter. So from part you always put first, so right here, and this is right here the lower side in such a way that the decimal becomes just below the decimal. Now 4 minus 9 5 not possible, take 1 carry become 14, 14 minus 5 become 9, here you get 1, 1 minus 1 0, 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 8 not possible, take 1 carry become 17, 17 minus 8 become 9, here remain only 2, 2 minus 1 become 1. So your answer is what? 19.509 liter. Similarly, C and D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Always rise from part first and at the lower side this part you will get your answer. So any student have any doubt in this question, you can ask me now. Remaining question of exercise 8F we have to do in next class. Thank you.